Today I wanted to give you some basic information on scope eye relief. Now, the standard rifle scope that we're all familiar with has a basic eye relief of 1.5 to 3 inches, and that'll depend on what power you're dialed onto. If you got a variable, you'll notice that the higher power you dial up, the closer your eye has to be. You want to bear this in mind if you're shooting a heavy kicker like a .338 Magnum or a .416 Weatherby. Dial it all the way down, give that scope plenty of room to run. Otherwise, you're going to get a cut above your eyebrow. And people tell me they can no longer see the one I've got right here. It's been a lot of years. I learned it only took once. Moving up the road, so to speak, we have intermediate eye relief scopes. You ever seen that IER designation next to a scope? What that basically means is it's a scout scope. It gives you approximately 10 to 16 inches of eye relief. It goes out to about here. And the reason you might use one of these is if you have a rifle, say you've got an AK, and you don't want anything going on back here, you can mount a scope further up. We have rails from Ultimac and mounts from other companies that allow you to mount it right up there. The scout scope concept was something Jeff Cooper championed years ago. And at low power, you can actually use a scout scope like a peep sight. You can shoot both eyes open and acquire targets very, very quickly, much better than with a standard scope. It also does away with the need to drill and tap a collectible firearm. Say you got a 98 Mauser, you don't want to drill and tap. You can mount with an adapter in the rear sight housing. You can put a scout scope on that and shoot it with an optic and have acceptable accuracy. Lastly, we've got the handgun scopes. These will have extremely long eye relief, way out there at arm's length, obviously for a handgun. They're nice and light. They're typically low power because the more power you have out at the end of your arms, the more shake you see. So you're better off with low power in most cases. Beautiful design. They're nice and rugged now. They don't fall apart like they did in the beginning. If you have trouble seeing open sights, a handgun scope can do away with that. It can give you a nice clean picture with crosshairs. Excellent option for hunting. One option with no eye relief to worry about would be a red dot sight like this Delta Point from Leupold. I've got it on a pistol here, but you could put it on a rifle, you could put it on a scope mount. Any length, you can see the reticle, the same clarity. Doesn't matter, there's no magnification, so you don't have any eye relief to worry about. Nice option there if you want to do a quick optic for hunting, sporting purposes, target shooting, whatever. You can mount a red dot on just about anything. That's all I've got today for eye relief, but if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call on the tech line. We'll be glad to help you out. And remember, all the scopes we sell, like everything else, is backed by our 100% unconditional forever satisfaction guarantee. Thanks for watching. See you next time.